Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about GetFloat32. So what it does, um, it is a method for data view which gets assigned 32-bit float at a specified byte offset from the start of the data view. So let me show you. Buffer equals new LA buffer. So add buffer, inside that I will put 16 bits, and after that what we're gonna do, var view new and data view buffer set float and 32. And now what we're gonna do is pass 1 comma math object dot pi. You know pi, it has a value of 22 by 7. So this is it is. Yeah, you can do that. And now if we log it on a console and view dot get float 32 1. So this is what it does, and if we do that, it's gonna give you 3.1472. So hope you guys understand this video. If you have any problem regarding this, you can hit me in the comments. I will be sure to check out your comment and give you the answer. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.